Hi guys, welcome back to the next lesson, which is drawing a nose in front and in profile view. So the first one that we are going to be drawing is a nose in front view. So I'll start by drawing some basic guided lines or guided shapes. So I'm going to be drawing 3 circles. So here's the first circle. Then I'm going to be drawing 2 more circles on either side of this. So I'll draw one over here, and I'm going to try keeping both these circles the same size so that it's symmetrical on both sides of my nose. Yeah, I think that's good. So now that I have that, I'm going to draw my shape like this. So it goes down, then I'm going to go around almost here, and then I'm going to raise it up. So I'm just going to go around here, and then I'm going to raise it up. That's it. And then I will also darken this area slightly. Okay, so next I am going to erase off my guided lines, because this was just for my reference so that I could draw my nose. So now I have a little shape. Next I'm going to add details. So first I'm going to add some nostrils, which goes from the side, and then you're going to bring it down. So I want to make sure that there are no, and I'm just going to lighten it here because there's going to be a little highlight. Similarly on this side too, I'm going to bring this up, make a nostril. Here I'm going to just lighten it up at the bottom. Okay, so next I'll start with some shadows. I'm making a light shadow shape, and it goes like this. So this is going to be the shape of my shadow, but I don't want the line to show, so I'm just going to erase it slightly, and then I'll go around it. I'll go around on this side too. Now I'm going to shade my nostril, which is going to be dark here, and then as I come down I'm going to make it lighter. Similarly on this side too, I'm going to start dark, but then as I come down I'm going to make it a little lighter. Next I add more shadows. I'm going to add some shadows here, to give it that circular nose shape. Then I am going to raise my shadows up, and then I'll just bring it to the side, here, bring it to the side here as well. And then I'll just add a little shadow on this side. On the side, and then shadow under the nose. Yes, I think I've got some shape there. So just gonna blend it in a little bit, and then here too. And want to lighten the shadow here a little more. And there I have my nose in front view. So for the next one, I'm going to be drawing a nose in profile view. So for the profile view, I will start with a sideways arrow line, or like a upside down 7. I'm gonna start like that. Now I'm going to curve the tip and then also add a little curve here on the bridge of my nose. And then I'm gonna bring this down until where there's gonna be a lip. Then from this side, I am going to draw my curve. It'll be like this. Then from here itself, I am going to draw my nostrils like a side view, like this, and then I'm going to darken again the top part, and as I come here, I'm gonna make it lighter, adding a little shadow here and under the nose as well. And then I'm going to add a little shadow in the shape here, a little here, and then add a little bit more shade here under the mouth, and then I'm erasing off this guidance line that was here. And there I have a nose in profile view. So I hope you all practice this at home. See you next time. Bye.